Magandang araw sa lahat. The YouTube channel of the Fraternal Order of Eagles Limbas Law Corner is back to render public service in the field of law or pag-share ng aming kunting kaalaman sa batas para makatulong naman sa sambayan ng Pilipino. Brought to you by the Limbas Marangal Eagles Club of the Eastern Rizal Region 2 sa pamamagitan ng inyong lingkod na isang abogado at nagtuturo naman o isang guro sa maraming law schools in the country. Now, the Limbas Marangal Eagles Club receive a request for an advice. He is charged in court for a crime which is of course bailable, and he wanted to post bail. Meron daw lumapit sa kanya at nagsasabi na pwede namang magpiyansa kahit hindi ka mag-appear sa court. Yung tinatawag na non-appearance di umano, non-appearance. Kahit hindi ka mag-surrender, pwede naman kasi non-appearance. Kaya nagtanong sa amin kung meron bang ganon. Tika muna, hindi pa pwede yun. Nausok kasi itong mga non-appearance para lang mapabilis ang isang transaction. Well, pwede naman sa mga ibang bagay, pero hindi itong pag-post ng bail or piyansa. But sino ba ang pwede mag-post ng piyansa? Only those who are deprived of liberty or detained. And thus, he can post bail so that he can regain provisional liberty. Right? Saan ka magpiyansa? It is hukuman. So, hukuman yan. Okay, so, ito nga, nagre-request ng opinion, but sorry hindi. Only those who are deprived of their liberty or detained can post bail. Those who are free, they cannot. And in fact, the Supreme Court said that it is incongruous for a court to approve an application for bail in favor of one who is not deprived of his liberty. Dapat nakakulong. So pinayuhan namin na hindi, mag-surrender ka. Mag-surrender. Humingi ka ng payo sa lugar ninyo, doon, siyempre sa abogado, kung anong gagawin. At kung hindi man sa abogado, yung may nakakaalam talaga tungkol sa piyansa, magtanong kayo doon, yung relatives mo. Kausapin na pumunta sa hukuman, magtanong ano ang mga requirements. Marami kasing requirements yan. Halimbawa, yung photographs na front, left, and right profile ng nakadetain. Right? Meron ding certificate of detention na ini-issue ng police o kung saan siya nakadetain, kung BGMP ba. Pero pag ganyan sa police muna yan bago mapunta sa Bureau of Jail, Management, and Penology. So maraming requirements, mga dokumento. At pag sa tingin naman ng hukuman, all the requirements are complied with, nakakulong siya, na-surrender, and doon sa bill niya, nangako naman siya, merong undertaking that during the arraignment and pre-trial and subsequent trials, as well as promulgation of judgment, darating naman siya. Mga sambayan ng Pilipino, yun yung pag-post ng bill. Yung mga nakakulong lamang, only those who are deprived of their liberty are allowed to post bail. So, mga kababayan, mga sambayan ng Pilipino, huwag kayong maniwala sa mga sinasabi na, sige, pwede nang mag-bail yan. Non-appearance. Okay, sana nakatulong na naman muli itong the Limbas Marangal Eagles Club of the Eastern Rizal Region 2. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat.